The Republican Unitary Enterprise Belmedpreparaty, Belarusian Medical Preparations, is the largest pharmaceutical company in the Republic of Belarus. It started its operations in 1929 with the release of basic medicines, and for more than 80 years, RUE Belmedpreparaty has been the leading enterprise of the pharmaceutical industry of the country. Here, for the first time, the production of insulin, blood products, antibiotics, and streptokinase was launched. RUE Belmedpreparaty continues to pursue its permanent mission to provide the population with efficient, safe and quality medicines for the prevention and treatment of a wide range of diseases. The current range of products with the trademark of RUE Belmedpreparaty includes more than 300 kinds of different drugs belonging to 24 pharmacotherapeutical groups. Mass production of virtually all types of dosage forms was introduced and successfully mastered here. These are solutions for injections and infusions in vials and ampules, tablets with different coatings and without them, freeze-dried and packaged sterile powders, hard and soft gelatin capsules, syrups, suspensions, tinctures, nasal and eye drops, ointments, gels, and hydrogel plates. With a number of unique productions, the company is the only in Belarus producer of preparations of insulin and streptokinase, narcotic and psychotropic substances, modern drugs for treatment of tuberculosis and oncologic diseases, enzymatic and biogenic medicines, as well as ophthalmic dosage forms. Priority directions of development are focused on productions of antibiotics and antimicrobials, including antiviral and anti-TB therapy drugs, hormonal antineoplastics, plasma substituting solutions, medications for cardiovascular diseases and those of the locomotor and nervous systems, as well as disorders of cerebral circulation. The list also has anti-inflammatory drugs, psychotropic medications, immunomodulators, and adaptogens. About 50 names of medicines manufactured by the country are made on a full cycle with the use of pharmaceutical substances of its own production. Experts have introduced the most advanced high-tech processes for pharmaceutical substances by chemical and microbiological synthesis, biotransformation, and radiation and chemical modification. In addition, the enterprise provides the selection and treatment of biologically active substances by means of chromatography, nanofiltration and ultrafiltration, as well as production of medicines from raw materials of animal or vegetable origin. The original technology of production of medicines based on micronized plant material distinguishes them from those made by other manufacturers. Alongside with the successful development and production of generic drugs, RUE Belmedpreparaty is actively involved in research, development and implementation of original medicines for various purposes on the basis of its own production facilities. All these works are carried out in close collaboration with leading institutions of the Ministry of Health of the Republic of Belarus, the National Academy of Sciences of Belarus, and with the assistance of the best scientific and technical forces of the country and the use of the best international practices. The company achieved major success in the field of development of anti-neoplastic agents. The course in this direction was taken in 1998, and the enterprise has since developed and put into mass production 15 different drugs for the treatment of cancer. Special pride of the enterprise is an innovative tool for photodynamics therapy, Photolon. Today, Photolon has been recognized by the most authoritative international experts as the best photosensitizer approved for clinical application. Currently, a project of reconstruction of production of anti-tumor agents is implemented, aimed at creating the facilities in accordance with the latest developments in pharmaceutical technology. The intellectual activities of the company have succeeded in having 89 patents and 147 trademark certificates. Many awards and high scores in various national and international competitions and exhibitions demonstrate that RUE Belmedpreparaty keep building up the scientific and export potential and increase the competitiveness of the company's products. All this would not have been possible without the success of the enterprise's management of innovation development. Today, it is the largest center of pharmaceutical industry of the country. Its structure includes a research and development department, a pilot production facility, and the Department of Strategic Planning and Monitoring of Innovative Projects. All the research units are equipped with the latest analytical, experimental and pilot production equipment. A unique set of equipment for the biomedical, physical, chemical, toxicological and pharmacological studies in combination with the highest qualified employees can perform the full range of research on the development and introduction of new medicines, ensure a reliable quality control of raw materials and finished products, as well as introduce innovative scientific, research and technological tools and techniques. Particular attention is paid by the experts of the enterprise to the quality inspection, covering every stage of the production and each operation exercised. In addition to quality assurance, all the products manufactured by the company are mandatory for careful control of equivalence, which attests to the conformity of the product quality characteristics of the original medicines. Modern and efficient technologies and product quality assured by the RUE Belmedpreparaty are confirmed by the certificates of conformity of production with the GMP standards. The company has implemented its own quality management system. The requirements of the GMP are a universal approach to ensuring safety, efficacy and quality of the output. Access to the enterprise production premises is strictly limited. Excessive pressure to prevent air from outside and inside the company premises is maintained in clean rooms with the air that has passed a three-stage cleaning system. Before entering the clean rooms in the staff gateway, one should dress in clothes made of sterile lint-free cloths and sterile footwear, wash the hands, cover the hair under a hat, put on protective gloves and a mask in accordance with the rules. Employees who have access to the production premises regularly pass thorough medical examinations. Raw and auxiliary materials are supplied for the production through the material gateways. Raw materials then are steamed and screened in the shops for the production of solid dosage forms. After that, they are placed in clean technology bins, weighed and bundled. Further on, the raw materials enter the room to be mixed, humidified, dried and palletized into the tablet mass. After that, they enter for talking and then placed on tablet presses to get pills or into capsule filling machines for capsules. Finally, the finished solid dosage forms arrive on the blisters for pre-packing and then they are packed by carton packaging machines. At production sites, there are facilities for preparation of solutions and moisturizers that are used in the technological process of manufacturing of medicines. The most advanced modern equipment from world-famous companies is installed at the RUE Belmedpreparaty shops for the production of liquid injection drugs in vials and ampoules, solid dosage forms in tablets and capsules, and freeze-dried powders, which allows for performing of all technological operations in accordance with the GMP standards. At the production sites for manufacturing of solid dosage forms, D-type purity zones are secured, while C, B and A-type purity zones are maintained at the production sites for injection drugs in vials and ampoules output. Constant temperature and humidity are kept in all the facilities. Clean rooms are done regularly as directed by the instruction. Only after thorough cleaning and washing, and if necessary also sterilizing of all the equipment, tools and facilities, a transfer to work on the manufacturing of medicines is allowed. For washing and rinsing of the equipment, disinfectant solutions and purified water are used. Every stage of manufacturing of drugs is controlled by the technical staff and quality assurance department, with the use of modern methods and per documentation. Modern technological and auxiliary equipment by the leading companies from Italy, Germany and South Korea, as well as high qualification and responsibility of the staff ensuring the compliance with the GMP standards, guarantees the quality of the output product and meets all the established indicators. Protection of the environment is an integral part of our business. The system of environmental management is fully consistent with ISO 14001 Environmental Management Standard. RUE Belmedpreparaty production capacity occupies the area of 34.7 thousand square meters. On November 1st, 2010, the reorganization of the company structure was completed, which now includes the RUE Grodno plant of medical preparations in Skidel and the plant Isotron in Lida, both in Grodno region. At present, the structure operates 12 major manufacturing plants and 7 service shops, including a car park. The plant for manufacturing of pharmaceutical products in Skidel was commissioned in 2000. Earlier, the company used to carry out the production of highly purified amino acids and substances of drugs based on them. Modern equipment allows the company to manufacture a variety of biological products, drugs in solution, and the number of unique drugs in the form of tablets and capsules. The pharmaceutical production in Lida was founded in 1990. It launched the manufacturing of liquid dosage forms of hydrogen peroxide and chlorhexidine bigluconate solutions, and also built the site for the production of drugs based on medicinal plants and the facility for the production of powdered medicines. Currently, the production facilities in Lida are the only site in the country that manufactures hydrogen peroxide solution. The workrooms in Lida have a complex for the preparation of purified water. The complex is a facility for obtaining purified water through a multi-stage purification of tap water. The resulting water is completely purified and suitable for the production of non-injection drugs. Expansion of the production structure has allowed RUE Belmedpreparaty to increase its production volume and product mix, maintaining its attractive image for the price-quality-oriented consumer, and also to maximize the export capacity and start new projects. Export strategy of the company is aimed at maintaining and strengthening its export positions abroad through increasing the amounts of export deliveries to the CIS and foreign countries, and making changes in the regional structure of exports. 50% of the company's production output is exported. The geography of deliveries is rather wide: Russia, Ukraine, Uzbekistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Kyrgyzstan, Moldova, Tajikistan and Turkmenistan. First trial shipments have been made to the markets of Vietnam, Syria and Venezuela. The companies of Germany, Poland, South Korea, Switzerland and the United States have also expressed their interest in cooperation with the Belarusian medical preparations company. Access to efficient healthcare system is an inalienable right of every person. Grounded on that, for more than 80 years, RUE Belmedpreparaty has brought to life its own motto: technology in the service of health.